Hey guys, are you ready to learn farewell phrases in Spanish? Let's start learning. Hi, I'm Jessica from Learning with Jessica Diaz, and this is my 5 Spanish words of the day. Today we're learning farewell phrases, including goodbye, see you later, see you soon, have a good day, and take care. Let's start with goodbye. In Spanish, goodbye is adios. Let's break down the sounds of that word. Adios. Adios. So if you wanted to tell someone goodbye, you would just say adios. Our second phrase for today is see you later. Hasta luego. Let's break it down. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. So if someone is leaving and you wanted to say see you later, you just say hasta luego. Our third phrase is see you soon. Hasta pronto. Let's break it down. Hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. So if you wanted to tell someone, see you soon, you just say hasta pronto. Our fourth phrase is have a good day. Tenga un buen día. Let's break it down. Tenga un buen día. Tenga un buen día. So if you wanted to tell someone to have a good day, you would just say tenga un buen día. Our fifth phrase is take care. Cuídate. Let's break it down. Cuídate. Cuídate. Now let's review those 5 phrases. Goodbye is adios. See you later is hasta luego. See you soon is hasta pronto. Have a good day is tenga un buen día. And take care is cuídate. Now let's test your knowledge. How do you say goodbye in Spanish? If you said adios, you're right. How do you say see you later? Hasta luego. How would you say see you soon in Spanish? Hasta pronto. How would you say have a good day in Spanish? Tenga un buen día. And last, how would you say take care in Spanish? If you said cuídate, you're right. Thanks so much for joining me on my 5 Spanish words of the day. If you use these videos to learn Spanish, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.